Okay, what we have here is an IFR1600 communications test set, and we're going to be testing the Desense on this TRP-8000 repeater, which consists of a couple TM8110 tape mobiles with a ComProd mobile duplexer built inside. And all we're doing is we're just taking the output off the back of the duplexer, running it into the IFR1600, and I'll just give you a little demonstration of how we test Desense in this scenario. On the receiver side here, we've got our receiver test. So this is in duplex mode. This is the frequency we're going to be putting into the receiver. This is our level, generating level, the RF generating level that we're going to be putting in. And this is our deviation. And then we're going to insert an AF tone in here as well. On the transmitter side, when the repeater keys up, the transmitter is tuned to 162.105, and it's going to show us what the power output is of the transmitter, the deviation, the AF frequency, and so on. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to quickly turn the level up going into the receiver. We're currently sitting at neg 130. It should kick in around neg 120 or thereabouts. Well, I was close. It kicked in at neg 119, and it hangs okay at neg 120. So this is what's going on over here. This is our receiver. The receiver's kicking up. It's kicking in the transmitter. And you can see the voltage there as well. Coming through the duplexer, back out here, and back into the test set. Now there's no desensitization at all on this repeater. If there was desense, the transmitter would continually key the receiver, and it would key on and key off and basically go in a vicious cycle, and that's not happening. And we've got relatively good sensitivity here. Anything around the neg 120, 119 range is perfectly acceptable. That kicks in at neg 120. And we've got a little bit of frequency error here on the transmit side. And we're putting out 17.5 watts on the transmitter. It's all looking good. Okay, thanks for watching.